Hi, today I'll show you how to remove Family Link from your VIVO X60 Pro. So, on the right side we have our VIVO, on the left side we have parent's phone. So let's try to remove Family Link. As you can see, that's unsuccessful. So let's go to Settings and Google, then press Manage Google Account. After that, click Get Started. Then go to Data and Privacy. Delete your Google account. Enter your password. After that, accept this, and also click right there. And now press Delete Account. As you can see, there's some problem, but if we will update phone of our parents, you can also see that something isn't right. If we will go back, there is no our phone. So now if we will try to delete our Family Link, as you can see, it works. So if you want to get your Google account back, let's go to Accounts, Add Account, Google, email or phone. Let's enter our Google account, press Next, Next again. Now enter your password. Well, if you have this problem, just press Next and again enter there your Google account and password. Now press I agree and accept. As you can see, we don't have Family Link anymore, but we restored our Google account, and our parents also don't have our account. So press like, subscribe to our channel, and see you next time.